Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Tanctics here, and I hope you're doing well today. Today, I'm going to show you a bare bones deck profile. This deck profile is going to change into a Drytron deck eventually, and I'm going to try different variations and things like that. But I purchased these cards. You'll probably see from here that there's some purple cards and some blue cards. That's just telling me which cards I'll be using in the deck. Also, that once I'm done showing this quick little deck profile, I have a special announcement at the end of this, and it's gonna be pretty awesome. So let's get into it. So we are going to try the first variation of the Drytron deck we're going to try is the Drytron Megalith. So this is what I've got so far. So we're going to be using a couple triple Megalith Ophiel right there. Then we're going to go into a Megalith Hacketh. So this is pretty much just a Megalith deck right now, but it's going to change. Couple fools, 3 fools. Bethor here. 2 of these, I believe. Yep. Aeratron. Actually, don't really know that one yet because I never used it in my testing. Another Aeratron. Phaleg here. And then that's going to be for the Megalith deck portion. And then we're going to be using this card right here. A couple of these. 3 of these, actually. And then, oh yeah, here we go. One of my cards, my Vanity Ruler. I love this card. This card is insane. Right now we have the 1,000 hand cards here. 3 of them. Then we have this card right here. 2 of those. And we're using this card. Just 1 of these book things. This 2 of these quills, I guess you can say. And then we have a Megalith uniform. 3 of those. And when I actually get into the actual deck profile, when I make the Drytron deck, I'll be a little bit more specific. But I just wanted to show off this deck because I purchased it, and I'm going to change it up. Got Megalith Portal here. We got Extra Foolish Burial. 2 of those. Okay, Inception here. Old School Mystical Space Typhoon. The meat and potatoes of the Drytron deck right here. Love this card, Preparation of Right. Then we have Bottomless Trap Hole, Megalith Promotion, and Megalith Promotion. So that's it for the main deck. Honestly, I don't even know how many cards it is because, again, it's changing. And then we're going to show you the not-so-finished extra deck here. So the first one we got here is we got an Underclock Tack Taker. These cards are definitely going to be in the deck. Nightmare Phoenix and Nightmare Unicorn, awesome cards. We got Tornado Dragon here. Gaga Cowboy. Gallant Granite. We got Herald of the Arclight, definitely going to be in the deck. There's another one here, but probably only be one in the other deck. And this card I know is banned, but it's in this deck. So Elder Entity Norden. So, I mean, that's just this little deck that I purchased that will be transformed in the next several weeks, so stay tuned for that. Now, the way I'm going to transform, I'm not just going to be, like, buying the cards. I'm actually going to be opening up booster boxes. So I did a little bit of research because, again, I'm a little bit new, and I needed to figure out where the Drytron cards actually come from. And I know that they come from this Genesis Impact. I think they're up here. So I bought 24 boxes of these. That's right, 24 boxes. We're probably not going to open up all of them, but we're going to open up at least half of them to try to get the Megalith cards that we need. And then the cards that won't be in here or aren't in this deck that I just showed you really quickly, I will purchase those cards then. And then after that, I'll build a couple versions, and I have a really fun. I'm building a Gladiator Beast deck. I know it's not as top tier as Megalith and Drytron stuff, but man, I was having so much fun with it on that Yu-Gi-Oh game on Xbox. Here, I can't think of what it's called right now, but man, I was having so much fun just wrecking people, even though I'm on bronze tier. But that is it. My specials pretty much. I did this deck thing, this little half-ass deck profile, just so I can reveal that I'll be opening up a bunch of Genesis Impact booster packs. And again, as I get more and more cards, I will be selling them. I put a couple on eBay. One of them's already sold. I took some back, so I'm actually going to sell multiple cards in one because it's just cheaper that way for me. And then, you know, if I start getting too many extra cards of something I don't need, I'm sure there's a lot more pricier cards in this thing here. But that is it. So definitely stay tuned for the next video because we start opening the Genesis Impact booster packs. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day. I'll see you.